All right, today our lesson is going to be on closed syllables. All right, we're going to learn that every syllable in a word has one vowel sound. Okay, so let's review the vowel sounds, because in the English language, the vowels have more than one sound. Okay, so the letter A, can everybody say ah? Okay. The letter E, Good. Right. The letter E does have two sounds, and one of them is the E sound, but it also has the sound. The letter I, The letter U, and the letter O, ah. Okay. Can we review those really fast? Let's see. A, ah. Can think of the picture on it, and that will help us remember those sounds. All right. Should we try it one more time? All right, I'm going to mix them up this time. Like for inch. Ah. One more time. Let's make sure we get those. Okay. Very good. We're going to work on reading words with more than one syllable and making sure that we can pronounce it correctly and spell it. So this letter B, is it a vowel or a consonant? Consonant. So I'm going to put the letter C. How about this letter U? Vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Awesome. Do we see a pattern? Yes. CVC, CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. So this word has two consonants. Let's look at how to pronounce it. B-ten. 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 How many times did we clap? Two times. We clapped 2 times. So that means it's if we see this consonant, vowel, consonant, that's going to tell us that's a closed syllable. Okay? And that word makes 2 sounds. You're going to be moving your jaw 2 times. All right? Let's see where to go like this. So this letter, what sound does this letter make? And this one? Ah. So b, t, n. B, t, n. Can we put it all together? Button. 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 Okay, very nice. Let's try another word. Let's see if we can figure another word. Help me code it. What is this this letter? Okay, so we see that pattern again. What sound is this letter going to make? I. And this one? So and where would I put my line to see where my Very nice. Good job. So, let's sound it out. S, I, G. N, A, L. So how many syllables is it going to have? Two syllables. Okay, 2 syllables. Let's put it together. Sig. Perfect. Ooh, let's see. Let's check on this. I'm going to read you some words, and you're going to tell me where I'm going to divide the syllables, okay? Contest. Contest. Where do you think I should do with that word? Contest. How many times? Contest. Okay, so I've got 2 syllables. How would I code this word? Ah, very nice. So do I even have to put down over here? No? What sound is this letter going to make? Very nice. Turn the paper that's on your desk. And let's code the very next word. You see how I read the word contest? Okay. How would I code that next word? This next word that's right here. How could I code that?
In the middle of N and T.
Okay. So I could go like this. And then how would I say that word, Fabian?
Dentist.
Very nice. Can you put it together?
Dentist.
How about this one, Aldo? Where could I put the line?
Right in the middle of the B line.
Okay. And what would this word be?
Happen.
Happen? How about this one, Kimberly? Where could I divide it to make it a 2-syllable word? Okay, what's this letter? A consonant or a vowel?
A vowel.
It is. How about the next?
Consonant.
Mm-hmm.
Consonant. Vowel. Consonant. Consonant.
Ooh, so where would I divide it? Because it gets divided between 2 consonants.
In the middle of S and E.
Between S and E? So I divide usually between 2 consonants. If E is a vowel, should I put it there? Maybe not. Can someone help her? Samantha.
In the middle of N and C. S.
N and S? So how would I pronounce that word? Because what sound does this vowel make? Eh. And then what sound does that vowel make? So, we have this sound first. I, se. Let's put it together. I, n, sect. Insect. Insect. Do we know what an insect is? Okay. All right. How about this one? Noe. How could I code it to help us out? What's an N? A consonant or a vowel? Okay, it's a consonant. How about this letter right here? I'm going to be looking at you. Try first code the letters, whether it's a consonant, a vowel, or a consonant. And then divide the word into 2 syllables. Okay, very nice. Okay, good job. Got it? Does anybody need more time? Okay, who wants to try this one? Aldo, how would we code this word?
Consonant.
Mm-hmm.
Vowel. Consonant. Consonant. Vowel. Consonant. Consonant.
Okay. Where would we divide it?
In the middle of B and J.
All right. What sound does the U make? And how about the E? What sound does that make? Eh. Sound out the word?
Subject.
Subject. Yeah. Okay. How about the next one? Let's try the next 4 words. Let's try, you know what? Let's go Fabian. You do this word. Samantha, you do this word. Kimberly, you do this word. Noe, you do this word. And Jose, you do this word. And then I'll ask you guys to come up and code them. How about that? Do we do that? All right, I'll give you exactly, you're done already? Ooh, you're ready to go. All right, well then you know what? Let me erase this, and I'm going to let Fabian come up and do it. There we go. You want to look at it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and code it for us. There's all right, and where would we divide it? And what sound does that vowel, first vowel have? Okay, and how about the next? Eh. Okay, what's that word?
Subject.
One more time.
Sudden.
Sudden. Can we put it together? Sudden. Sudden. Like suddenly, Fabian knew the answer. Good job. All right. Samantha. Next word. Okay, let's code it. And then divide into syllables. And then tell me the sound of that first vowel. Okay, and the second one? What's that word?
Itself.
Itself. Good job. Nice. Kimberly. Do you remember how to spell it? Okay, let's code the word. All right, let's divide the word. Okay, now where we divide it is between 2 consonants. Do you have 2 consonants there where you're dividing? Okay. There you go. And what's the sound of that first vowel? Ah. And the second vowel? Eh. Sound out that word? Problem. 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 Okay? Noe, you're next. Do you remember how to spell it? Okay. All right, code it. Ooh, no, he's ready to do it. All right. Good job. And where would we divide it into syllables? What's the sound of that first syllable? I mean, that first vowel? I. And how about that second one? I. So how would I pronounce that word?
Pilgrim.
Yeah, pilgrim. Pilgrim. Good job. And Jose. Go ahead. Oh, there's a marker right there. Do you remember how to spell the word? All right, let's code that word. Good job. And where would my syllables be? Where would be my syllable break? Awesome. And what is the sound of that first vowel? And the second? Eh. Put it together. Okay. Bring it together. Trumpet. Trumpet. Good job, Jose. There's some words down here at the bottom. It looks like they have divided them for us. Let's see if we can put them together on this first one. What would be this first word? Sun. So I would write it. Sunset. Let's see if we can do the rest. All right, Samantha, can you tell me what this word is? Very nice. Fabian, this one?
Witness.
There you go. Aldo? Very nice. Jose? Can we put it together? Awesome. Noe, this word right here. And Kimberly. Very nice. And Samantha. Okay. What sound does that A make? Ah. And that one? Ah. At. Roll. Pat. Pa. Patrol. Patrol. There you go. And Fabian? Nice. And Aldo, last one. Matter. Okay. How about if I go like this? What's that? Well, what sound does that make? Ow, ow. Okay. All right. Let's see if you guys can make words. They all make some word. You might need to talk to one another. Does that make sense? If it doesn't make sense, you might need to talk to somebody else. Okay, let's put it up. You can put it up right here. Awesome. All right, there's one. Subsent. Subsent is not a word. I'm sorry. Okay? And that's going to be the end of our lesson. I know that we didn't finish all the rest, so I want you all to put your names on this paper.